Hey friends, Chef Nina here. Today I'm sharing this simple honey soy baked chicken, an Asian inspired recipe served with a very simple vegetable stir fried rice. This is a delicious dish that you can make on any day of the week. So for this honey soy baked chicken, I'm using this 7.5 roaster. Pat it slightly with a paper towel. Remove it from this rack onto the cutting board. For this chicken, I just need to do very minimal work. Just cut off this excess fat here and skin. And then all I'm going to do is I need to open it up, just split it. So I'm going to cut across the breast here. Exert some pressure, just go through. And then once it's open, just pat dry. Lay it on its back, just press it slightly. I will lift this chicken back onto the rack and start the marinade. For the marinade, into this small bowl, add soy sauce. This is low sodium, honey, rice wine vinegar, a touch red pepper flakes, black pepper, some salt, zest 1 lemon and squeeze the juice. All the ingredients will be in the description box. Grate some of these on the side. We'll use it for garnishing. Juice into the bowl. Ginger, garlic, just a touch sesame oil. Whisk everything together. Now take some of this marinade and set aside. This will be the sauce for our stir-fried rice. Now peel these 2 onions and cut them into wedges. Add the sliced onions into this roaster. Lay them at the bottom. By any means, you can use any kind of onions that you have. Bring back the chicken and lay it over. Pour the marinade over this chicken. Turn it. Just pour this marinade. Just make sure the marinade goes to every corner of the chicken. Turn it right back. Bring all these onions to the center. Now let this chicken rest for about half an hour to marinate. In the meanwhile, preset the oven at 375. So as our chicken continues to bake, I have some cooked rice here that was in my fridge, some cooked vegetables already, broccoli, carrots, and some peppers. I have some frozen peas, scallions, cilantro, half of a lemon, lemon zest, and this is the leftover marinade that we set aside. So with this, we're going to do a quick kind of a fried rice. You know, you can definitely cook rice, but I have this that was hanging out in the fridge that we can use. This is sesame seeds. We are also going to use that to sprinkle on the chicken once it's done. So in the meanwhile, I've also basted the chicken once. Now onto a very hot pan, add the vegetables to dry any moisture. Remove the vegetables. quickly add the marinade and slightly reduce. Into the pan, add some of the rice. Toast this to warm up the rice. Add the rest. Remember, the rice was already fully cooked, so it means it was already seasoned. So I'm not going to add any salt or pepper here or any oil because everything was pre-cooked. Return the vegetables. Add a hairpin of cilantro, frozen peas, some of the scallions. Give this a toast. In the meanwhile, we have grazed our chicken several times and it's almost done. Reheat everything here. What a quick and easy way to make stir-fried rice using leftovers just from your fridge. So give this a taste to see if we need any adjustments on seasoning. Oh, this is good. Some lemon juice. A little bit more cilantro, doesn't hurt. And we are good. This chicken is all done. The probe reads about 165. Just use a brush to give it just one more final glaze here. Let it rest for about half an hour before we cut into it. What a beauty. So while the glaze is still fresh, add some of these sesame seeds. Gives good texture. The lemon zest. So friends, there you have it, our honey soy baked chicken with this quick and easy stir-fried rice. You can serve this family style or you can serve it individually over this rice, and this is a dish that you and your family will definitely enjoy. Onto this plate, just add some of your fried rice. This is a dinner that will serve 3 to 4 people. Some of these onions that baked with the chicken together with the sauces. Just drizzle over the rice, full of flavor. Take one of these pieces of the chicken here, lay it right on top. That's dinner for 2. If you have good appetite, that's one for you. Can drizzle some of this sauce right on top. Just like so. And friends, there you have it. Look at this very juicy chicken. Look at this, very juicy. Very flavorful, some of the rice. So friends, there you have it, our honey soy baked whole roaster chicken, done in about an hour with this quick and easy vegetable fried rice. It's a dinner that you can make on any day of the week, and you and your family will definitely enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this one. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Always remember, please subscribe, comment, give me a like on this video.